Did you know there's a new kid on the block? A new Luxe Makeup brand at the drugstore? Well, if you're like me, you've been seeing it in Walmart and you've been wondering if they have shades that will work for brown skin. So today I'm going to be testing out their foundation, and this is the Nude by Nature Perfect Skin Filter Foundation. And I wasn't sure which shade to pick up. So if you are my shade twin, hopefully this video will be helpful. I have two shades here because I wasn't sure which shade will work best for my complexion and my undertone. The lighter shade is W10 Cinnamon and the deeper shade is N10 Rich Toffee. And this is what it looks like. Very luxe packaging. So let's see if we found a match at the drugstore. This is the shade W10 Cinnamon, the lighter shade. So we're gonna swatch it and see what it looks like against my skin tone. So you twist it up and then I'll pump. So that's what it looks like. Now, of course, that's too light for my complexion, so this won't work. So now we're gonna go in with the deeper shade. So we're gonna twist it and then pump on the back of the hand. Now that's what that shade looks like. So on one side, I'm gonna apply it to the cheek to see what it looks like. So I'm going to pump a little bit more on my forehand. I'm gonna use my spatula to apply it. Ooh. And honestly, that might be a lot. I'm going to blend this out on this side of my cheek. Okay, so this is the side that I applied the N10 Rich Toffee. So this is what it looks like. Can you tell the difference? I was thinking if you are my skin tone and maybe this undertone does not work for you, you feel like you're in between the N10 Rich Toffee and the W10 Cinnamon. So let's see if we mix the both of those together to see what we'll get. I'm gonna pump a little bit of the Rich Toffee and then a little bit of the W10 Cinnamon. And then I'm going to mix that in just to see what we get. This is more of the undertone that I get. Ooh, it looks a little bright. Scratch that with the Rich Toffee. It's cold today. Okay, so this is the final look of the foundations. And so this side, I applied the deeper shade, which is N10 Rich Toffee. And then on this side, I applied some of that same shade. And then I also applied the W10 Cinnamon. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I can, looking in my mirror here and in the viewfinder, I see that the undertones is a little different. But other than that, it is a beautiful foundation. Look at the coverage. I would say this can be medium to full coverage depending on your skin type and skin needs. If you have hyperpigmentation, as you can see, it covered up where I had some post-acne scarring and it just looks flawless, filtered, but it still looks hydrated. But you tell me your thoughts. You tell me what it looks like. Did we find a match?